Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got an awesome tutorial for you. If you're tired of Spotify's default look and want to customize it to match your vibe, you're in the right place. We're going to install Spicetify, a powerful tool that lets you change Spotify's themes, add cool plugins, and unlock hidden features. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized Spotify that looks exactly how you want it. So let's jump right in. Alright, first things first. You need to have Spotify installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, just head over to the official Spotify website, download the app, and install it. This method works best with the desktop version of Spotify, so make sure you have that. Once you have Spotify installed and running, it's time to move on to the fun part, installing Spicetify. We need to visit their official website. Open up your browser and type in Spicetify, or just go to spicetify.app. When you're on the home page, you'll see a big white button that says Install Now. Click on it, and it will take you to the installation page. Now pay close attention here because this is where a lot of people get confused. Once you're on the installation page, you'll see a few different commands. The one we need is the first one, which is labeled PowerShell, pre-built binary. Go ahead and copy that command. Now, open Windows PowerShell. To do this, just press the Windows key, type PowerShell, and hit enter. Once PowerShell is open, right-click to paste the command and hit enter. Now, just sit back and wait while it downloads Spicetify. At some point, it's going to ask you whether you want to enable the marketplace. When that happens, just type Y and hit enter. This is really important because the marketplace is where we'll find all the cool themes and plugins later. After it finishes installing, you can go ahead and close PowerShell. Now, let's head back to Spotify and check if Spicetify is working. Open up Spotify and you should see a new tab at the top called Marketplace. If you don't see it right away, try closing and reopening Spotify. Once you see the Marketplace tab, click on it. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a ton of different options like themes, plugins, and even apps that enhance your Spotify experience. Now let's install a new theme to change Spotify's look. Click on the Themes tab inside the Marketplace. Here you'll see a bunch of themes created by the community. Scroll through and find one that you like. Once you find a theme you want to install, hover over it and you'll see an install icon. Go ahead and click it. Spotify might ask you to reload the app to apply the changes. So if that happens, just click reload. And there you have it. Your Spotify now has a brand new look. Pretty cool, right? And that's it. Now you know how to install Spicetify, change your Spotify theme, and add awesome plugins. With this tool, you can make Spotify truly your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and customization guides. Let me know in the comments what themes or plugins you're using. I'd love to check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.